Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Today I'm checking out this ladder. This is a step ladder with railings, so we're just gonna open this up here real quick. And I think there's a little bit of assembly required here. We'll handle that. All right, so this has some nice like rubber grips there on the bottom. These things, make sure you have some scissors or something. There's a lot of zip ties in this one, I noticed. So there's that. I have some little wire cutters. And how is this even on there? I don't know. I must have put that on pre-packaging there. So this is all got to be ripped off there. Okay, there's that. And then we have this one here. This is a lot of zip ties on this one as well. So just try to make sure we don't get our ladder anywhere. And we got more zip ties. There's one here. Okay, there's that. Okay. It's wrapped up really well there. It has some screws here as well. I don't see. Okay, there's some instructions. All right, so there's that. Instructions right there. And everything is really on there good. Okay, this little batch of screws. So this is a little handle here. That's taped on there. I'll just have to get my screws out real quick. All right, so I can't get this one out of there. This is incredible. It's like trapped in the plastic. There we go. All right, so there's that. And we gather this up here in a little batch there. Okay, so I have these right here. Try to get the plastic off real quick, this, and get that taken care of. Okay, and then we have our other handle right here. I think we got it freed out pretty good. All right. And we have this little bag here, so it has some instructions here. Let's go over those real quick. And there we are. Let's get that going. All right. Okay. Here we go. It does have a little screwdriver here. Quite a few different screws here. Can't open a bag. Okay, there we are. There's these as well. So here we go, 3 steps. Good thing it has instructions. So washer to screw head and washer nut for medium screw. Okay, so looks like, unless I'm mistaken, these things set it up just like this. If this comes down, let push this out here. There we go. All right. It's nice and steady there. Okay. So we have a handle here. And looks like, where's that gonna go on here? Handles both face the same direction. I think this might go on there first. And then it has these little ones as well that reach down to there, it looks like. So this is going to go into there. Just like that. Okay. These guys go there. All right. So it looks like once that is accomplished, and those are going to be attached with the top handrail, long screws, right handrail, one washer to the screw head and one washer to the nut for each medium screw. Okay. So the medium screws are those. Installation, attach there's the medium screws. I got 3 medium screws. Thought I should have 4. Okay, it says 2 short screws and then 4 medium screws. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. There's 6 of the long ones. I have 3 medium and 3. Okay, so they gave me extras. That's good. So here we go. Top handrail, we need a long screw on the top. So the long screw, oops, this goes up into the edge there. Just like that. And then the top handrail is going to go on just like that. So that's going to be long screw. And looks like these all get washers on them, either side. So get that in the top, and then attach handrail on the bottom line. So we have the long ones, long screws on the top, long screws on the bottom. Okay, so long screws going through there, just like that. And we attach that on there. Let's see here. I feel like that should go on there more snug. Okay, so we get a washer on that side as well. So make sure you get your washers on there. Of course it's going to fall. Okay, there's our washer. Get a washer on both sides. Kind of lock those in place. Use your little bolt here and screw Allen key there. And just kind of tighten those up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to put this over here now as well. Same thing with the bottom part. Just take your 2 washers, your long screw, and your bolt here. Okay, so the long bolt goes through there. Get our washer on the other side, and screw that down. Now we can tighten these up here. So cinch that up so that's good on there. Okay, and same thing on this side. Not sure if the bolt is supposed to go on this side or the other way. Not sure how much of a difference it makes, but I put the bolt on the outside. Let me see if there's any specifications here. Medium screw. Okay, they are saying that the nut goes on the inside. So that is correct, even though it seems like it should be a little bit. So we'll do the other handle now. Simply put this up here. Feed that through. And get the other one on as well. Okay. There's those. And get our other two nuts and washers. Get our washer on there. Just tighten it on with my hand real quick so it stays on, and then I'll tighten it up with the Allen key and the wrench. Just get it on as much as possible. There we are. Put my little wrench on here and tighten that down. Should go on there pretty snug, you know, don't want it moving around. There we go. And then this one here. So that is nice. Okay, now the top part is secured on with a medium screw. So we take two medium screws, and then those have little washers on there, I guess. So, okay, so take our medium screws. The short screws goes in the bottom there. So medium screws, one washer to the screw head and one washer nut for medium screws. Okay. Okay. So our medium screws, we're going to go through this top part where this ladder, this upper step fastens in there. Okay, we get our medium screw in here. This is in the top portion that goes in there. And I'm just going to do both sides. I'll try to get a close-up of here at the end here so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so there's that one through there. And we tighten that one on. Once again, we just get our little Allen key and our wrench, and then make sure that's nice and snug there. I like how this is pretty burly Allen key there. Okay, that seems pretty good. We'll go over to this other side and tighten this up as well. Okay, and finally we're just attaching this here, and these go in here. These are our short screws, go into this bottom portion here. Okay, bolts on the outside. These are the short screws, they go in the bottom portion. Okay, so here we go. Just feed it through this little portion here. And tighten that down. Just like that. And same thing, I put a washer on this one. And don't need it. I don't think I need a washer, but I'm going to do it anyways. Okay, now I'm just going to tighten those down. Okay. All right, there's that. And I would think it'd be good to have a washer there, but that's okay. I don't think I want this super tight, so at least this can bend a little bit. Okay, that should be good for that. And now let's go test it out. So this is like nice and sturdy up on top. Obviously that's not a step. And then how do we collapse this? Simply pull up on that, and that folds up this nice little area here. And if you want to push it down, it's got those handles right, this handle right here, just push it down there, and there we go. Nice and sturdy. So instead of a ladder with just little thin steps, this has got big giant steps on here, and this handle to hold on to as well. This handle on top, climb all the way up here and down. All right, so we'll show you guys where those screws are. Okay, so just a close-up on the screws. This one goes through here, and then you just tighten it here. This is where the top portion goes in right there. And then the other screw right here on the lower handle, just like that. And then upper handle also screw through the side and nut on the end. And then here's the other one right here. And then for these, I just put these in there right there. And then underneath, they have a little bolt there, like that. Okay, so let's go try it out. Okay, friends, so here we are in the garage. I could just simply fold this up. So if I want it, just put it out of the way and then fold it down, just push this top part here. But this is a lot more sturdy than what we usually use. So I feel a lot more comfortable with my wife using this to climb up. So you got these handles right here, nice and stable. And then the big steps as well. So if we're reaching stuff off the top here, it's gonna be a lot more stable and sturdy. So also has this top portion, don't sit on it, but you can put your screwdrivers, your drill, everything in here, hammer, saw. Super handy, this tray here as well. It has a little circle here for like paint cans and things like that. It's going to keep it steady. So really a sturdy ladder. I feel confident that this is going to, it says it holds up to 350 pounds, I think. But yeah, so sometimes we need stuff off the upper shelves. And this one is a nice height. And I feel like this is a really, I trust this one. Like normally I try to get stuff off the shelves so my wife doesn't have to, but sometimes she does stuff herself. But I would prefer her to use this ladder instead of like a little other one that I have. That being like these large steps and everything is a lot more convenient and a lot more steady. And I like this hand railing on here as well. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.